our classes. In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2022 paper 1 set A. Question number 1. Suppose x1, x2, x3 and x4 are independent, where x1, x2, x3 has a Bernoulli distribution with parameter 1 by 3 and x4 follows binomial distribution with parameter 3, 2 by 3. Then the distribution of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 3 minus x4 is. Four options are given. Here example is very easy, but let's see how to do that. First of all, let's note down what is given to us. So in this example, first thing which is given is x1, x2, x3, x4 are independent. Okay. So here x1, x2, x3 and x4 are independent. Okay. Then which is the next thing given? X1, x2, x3 has a Bernoulli distribution with parameter 1 by 3. Okay, only out of this 4, 3 follows Bernoulli. Bernoulli with probability of success 1 by 3. Then, and x4 follows binomial distribution with parameter 3, 2 by 3. And the fourth variable follows binomial with n as a 3 and probability of success as a 2 by 3. Okay. And now we want to find out distribution of this x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 3 minus x4. How to do that? Here few results we will use. First result. What they are saying, x1, x2, x3 follows Bernoulli. Okay. So first result says that if xi follows Bernoulli with parameter p, then summation xi follows binomial distribution with parameter np. Okay. And here of course what we want, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So we will use this result. Now here according to this result, what we can say, x1 plus x2 plus x3 will follow binomial distribution with parameter now what? N. Now how many variables we have? 3. So here 3, p. Probability of success is what? 1 by 3. So 3, 1 by 3. It is our equation 1. Okay. Now next is about x4. Okay. This result we have used many times to solve examples. So what it says, if x follows binomial distribution with parameter np, then n minus x will follow binomial with parameter n, 1 minus. Okay. So here what is given to us, x4 follows binomial with parameter 3, 2 by 3. So basically using this result, what we can say here, 3 minus x4 will follow binomial with parameter 3, 1 minus 2 by 3 means 1 by 3. This is our equation number 2. Okay. Now you can see in equation 1 and equation 2, our both variables x1 plus x2 plus x3 and 3 minus x4 follows binomial with probability of success same 1 by 3. Okay. And now we want to add it. Okay. So here we will use additive property of a binomial distribution, and what it says, if x follows binomial with parameter n1 p1 and y, let us suppose y follows binomial with parameter n2 p2, then x plus y will follow binomial with parameter n1 plus n2, p. Condition is that p1 equals to p2 equals to p. Okay. So here from equation 1 and 2 we can see that our probability of success is same, so we can apply the additive property here, right? And therefore, according to additive property, what we will get? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 3 minus x4 will follow binomial with parameter n1 plus n2. Here it is 3, here also it is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, comma, probability of success is what? 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the distribution of this variable. So correct answer is option B, 6, 1 by 3. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.